In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger side liftgate support on this GMC Yukon. Let's get into it. Before we start, we want to make sure we turn the liftgate actuator to the off position so it doesn't close on us by accident. I'm going to use a pull jack to support the liftgate. You can use something similar or even have an assistant hold it up while you're doing this job. There's a clip right here using some needle nose pliers and a pick. Just pull this up. You can pull that right off. With that off, then you can grab the support, pop it off that socket. Same with the top one. There we go, pull that off. Take the new one, it's already got the clips. Just slide it on, make sure it's locked on. Spin this around, get this lined up. Push that down, and you're good to go. Now remove the support. Now you can adjust the button back to normal and activate the liftgate. Closed. You can do it again to open it. In some cases, you may have to recalibrate it with a scan tool. Otherwise, if it's working good, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.